Good afternoon, everyone. My name's Peter Grant. I'm from Safesite. As you can tell, I'm not from around here either. I'm from Australia, and no, I'm not a convict. I'm here of my own volition. I'm CEO and founder of Safesite. Safesite is a platform that allows workers in high-risk environments like construction to perform all of their safety processes out in the field. And I'm going to show you some of the features that we have within the Safesite platform today and some of the benefits of those features. So within the construction industry, you know there's a big problem as well as I do. 25 workers are being killed on construction sites every single week. Now, I've been involved in a serious incident on a lot of projects, and as you all know, it sticks with you and you never want to see it again. And that's the motivation behind building Safesite. I want to make sure that every single worker goes home safe after they've finished their day's work. So why is safety still such a big issue, and why are there so many incidents on projects? We've got tighter budgets, tighter deadlines, smaller budgets, leading to less focus on safety and generating a poorer safety culture. We're all very familiar with this sort of thing: spreadsheets, paper-based inspections, lots of administration, lots of legwork. These result in low positive safety reinforcement, very delayed transparency, consistency, accountability, and low compliance with your safety management plans. And what are the consequences of this? Incident rates, higher risk, and higher project costs. Luckily, there's a solution. So we've got Safesite, and that is a field mobile application that you can use on any mobile device, and a desktop platform for supervisors. And so the mobile application is used by all the workers out in the field that have a safety responsibility. So think about your foremen, your superintendents, your safety supervisors. Anyone with a safety obligation uses the mobile application to complete their safety processes. And these are all the safety processes we currently complete. You can currently complete using the Safesite application. So it covers the full range of safety processes, allowing you to be fully compliant and comply with your own safety management plans as well. So what I wanted to do just briefly is run you through a vigorously flickering screen. Quickly run you through a simple bread and butter hazard management using the Safesite mobile app. So when I log into the system, these are all the processes that I've got access to within the mobile app. When I click on hazards, this drops me straight into the hazard module. Here I can see my open hazards, and if I've recognized a hazard out in the field, I can start to manage it by clicking on new. This drops me straight into the logging of that hazard. So I can start by taking a photo. I can obviously add one from my cache within my phone, or I can take a photo of this dodgy bunch. That photo is compressed on the front end, then uploaded to the cloud. I then select the relevant contractor, select the location, add a detail. Watch out for these guys. Select the risk type. So what do we got here? Hazardous materials all over the room. Select the risk probability and select the risk consequence. So they're your standard factors that go into your risk matrix. I'm sure you're all familiar with those. And they go into producing your computed risk level, which in this case is extreme and gives us a rectification time frame of immediate. Now when I click save, that notification is instantly sent out to the responsible parties within that project. And you can even customize the notifications up the hierarchy of your project to be email, text messaged, or in-app notification. And you can see here that that extreme hazard has been logged into my open hazards. Now, if I'm on the other end, if I'm the responsible party for that hazard, I can click on, I'll be notified here in the top right-hand corner, and when I click into that, it will take me to the hazard form where I can see all of the relevant details for that hazard. And I can add another image once I've rectified the problem, and I can also add a comment as well. But as the originating party, I'm satisfied after I see those photos and comments that the hazard has been resolved, and I can click on resolve. That hazard will now go from the unresolved to the resolved column. And now we've got some really cool dynamic filters here that allow you to filter any of these hazards by contractor or location. And once I've set that filter, I can click export and export a PDF of that list to anyone in that site listing as well, or an external email from the system. So I'll just quickly put in my name, and you can see there that it auto-populates and that's sent off as an email. So that's a quick demonstration of how hazards are managed through the Safesite app. We use that same ease of use and functionality and intuitiveness throughout all of the processes that we facilitate in the mobile app. But of course, intuitiveness comes at a cost, and obviously there's a lot of members on a project that want some more functionality, and that's where the desktop portal comes into play. So with the desktop portal, you can view all the safety performances and trends. You can initiate workflows and create tasks for the workers out in the field in relation to safety. You can produce custom compliance reports. You can manage safety roles, and you can customize a project-specific details within the desktop platform too. Along with that, we produce automated daily and weekly summaries of all the safety activity that's happened on a site. They get aggregated into a nice, easy-to-consume format. So here you can see a weekly summary with all of the fancy charts and graphs, your safety trending for the week, and then the individual records as well with all the photos, all automatically compiled by the system. So you can imagine the time savings with that. But the best thing about this is it's in your inbox on a Monday morning, and if OSHA comes knocking on the door, you can show them you've got a very diligent and up to standard safety management system that's effective and in use. So the other benefits include obviously time and money savings. You're not running around. You've got no paperwork, not chasing people up. It's all there instantaneously on your mobile phone and uploaded in real time to the desktop portal. You're improving compliance by having a complete awareness of all the safety tasks that are being completed across your project. And as a consequence, you're going to have an improved safety culture. You're going to reduce the amount of incidents on your project and reduce the project risk. So all of these benefits obviously come with the consistency, transparency, and accountability that we strive to put through the entire Safesite platform, as we continue to be the market leader in mobile safety management and construction. So we've got 300 projects using the Safesite system worldwide, and we're in tens of thousands of records for each of these particular different processes, and there's some of our customers there throughout Australia and the US. And as part of the AGC family, I'd like to extend a 15% discount when using the Safesite system. So you just have to use the code AGC when logging onto our system. It's a free to download on the mobile app and desktop platform and use for 30 days. And then after that, you'll be prompted to enter your subscription. So to access the system, go to safesiteapp.com, and there's a lot of information there about the product and the service. Or you can come down and see me downstairs, and I'd be happy to walk you through some of the finer details. Thank you very much.